Experiencing no signal on your Simple Mobile phone can be frustrating. Since Simple Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, the reasons usually boil down to coverage, bands, or placement. First, check your coverage. Use the Simple Mobile website or app or a third-party app like OpenSignal to see if your location should have service. A no service message means no coverage at all. If the map shows coverage but you have weak signal bars, the problem likely lies elsewhere. Next, consider your phone's band compatibility. Simple Mobile relies on T-Mobile's LTE bands 2, 4, 12, 66, and 71, and 5G band 71, low band, 41, mid-band, and ME-Wave, high band. Older phones may not support newer bands like 71, causing issues in 5G areas. Check your phone's specs and compare them to Simple Mobile's supported bands. Finally, think about your device placement. Buildings, walls, and even metal objects can block signals. Try moving to a higher location, like near a window, or going outside to see if the signal improves. Start with basic troubleshooting steps to resolve your Simple Mobile no signal issue. First, restart your phone by holding the power button. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Finally, reset your network settings to clear any glitches. If the problem persists, check your SIM card. Ensure it's properly inserted and not damaged. If you suspect band incompatibility, upgrade to a newer phone that supports Simple Mobile's current bands, like Band 71, for better coverage. For placement issues, move around your home or office to find a spot with better reception. Try near windows or outdoors. Enable Wi-Fi calling in your Simple Mobile settings as a backup when cellular signal is weak. If none of these steps work, contact Simple Mobile support for help with SIM card swaps or refunds. Remember, Simple Mobile benefits from T-Mobile's ongoing improvements like 5G expansion. Staying informed about T-Mobile's network developments can help you optimize your connection and minimize no-signal issues.